Hi, I'm Layla, and I'm here to tell you about one of the most memorable experiences I have had in my college career. This would be at the language workshop at Indiana University. The summer language workshop is one of the best ways there is to learn a language and experience its culture. I studied Arabic at the workshop and gained the ability to express myself on complicated topics in Arabic. I also made lasting friends. I absolutely encourage everyone to take advantage of the opportunity to learn a new language at the language workshop. Everyone, from high school students to lifelong learners, can apply. Now, despite the massive growth of the program, when the language workshop started in 1951, it really was a workshop. It was a short program teaching Russian to a handful of students. Today, the workshop teaches almost 30 languages to over 300 students every summer. More than 10,000 students have used the workshop to gain critical language skills, enrich their worldviews, and gain unique stories to share during interviews. But despite all that growth, it's still called a workshop. The workshop is kind of a big deal. It's one of the best ways to learn world languages and to experience world cultures in the United States. In the workshop, you dedicate your whole summer to learning your language, focusing and honing your skills daily. In the end, you'll achieve language proficiency levels that you wouldn't believe. Today's workshop is really 3 programs in one. First, there are in-person immersion programs where students live and breathe the language and culture for 2 intensive months at Indiana University on one of the most beautiful campuses in the country. Click here for details on the immersion programs. Second, there are intensive online programs. In these, you can learn a new language or improve your skills in the language you already know from the comfort of your home. Click here for details on the online programs. Finally, there are study abroad cultural immersion programs where you can consolidate your language gains and acquire first-hand experience with the language and the culture you're studying. Click here for details on the study abroad programs. After attending the workshop, I was able to certify as an advanced mid-speaker of Arabic on the National ACTFL scale. The program also helped me gain confidence in myself and my ability to learn. It can help you too. If you're serious about culture and language learning, joining a group of motivated, like-minded students is an exhilarating experience. You're probably thinking that a program this great must cost like $1 million, right? Nope, not at all. All students in and out of state pay in-state tuition, which can save thousands of dollars for some. Plus, there are scholarships, lots of them. There are Title VIII fellowships for graduate students. There are FLAS scholarships for undergraduates and graduates. There are scholarships for students of specific languages. There are scholarships for women, scholarships for business school students. There are even scholarships open to high school students and lifelong learners. You probably have questions. The handbooks on our website will answer many of them, but we would love to chat with you and answer your questions at virtual office hours or by phone at 812-855-2889 or by email at languageworkshop@iu.edu. Visit us at languageworkshop.iu.edu to begin your language learning journey today.